gonna do a song that he would do. It's called Long Black Veil. It's a country tune. You know, and we're gonna need some help. That's why I do it, because I need to be here, because you have a part in it. So you teach them the part, right? My dad knows the part. He's gonna teach you guys the part.
All right, Bill.
Don't mean to put you on the spot, but there it is. Teach them, just teach them the part. We're gonna do it just like this, y'all. See, now we're electrifying. We're warming into our second set, which is coming up after this set. So. 10 years ago, on a cold dark night, somebody was killed beneath the town hall light. Some people were there, and they all would agree they're so scared of the light. It's just a lie. She walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave in the night wind wails and the wails and the wails and the wails. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. You just said, son, what's your alibi? If you had one, then I have to die. And I spoke not a word, though it meant my life. See, I'm gonna keep my big arms around this friend. She walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave when the night wind wails and the wails and the wails and the wails. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. No, Scaffold was high, and eternity near. Well, she didn't shed not one little bit of tear. And sometimes at night, you know, when that cold wind blows, I hear that she goes my grave.